Hey guys, well, back at the frame again. Today is the day. That axle's coming out, frame's getting stripped. I might end up cutting it in half. Might have to run back to the house and grab my tape so I can mark out the frame exactly where I need to cut it. It is a little bit chilly this morning though. It should be warming up here to about 10 degrees today, so it's not too bad. Right now it's about 0 or -1, but way she goes. I don't want to waste any more of the day. I got quite a bit to do still. I did get those bushing sleeves, the inner sleeves machine, so my 9/16 bolts fit right inside them perfect. That way I don't have to run 18 mil bolts, which are A, expensive, B, overkill, and C, you gotta order them in because the parts store that I go to, they just don't carry that stuff. So anyways, plan for today, get the rear axle cut out. I want to cut the leaf spring hangers off it. You know what? I've always edited this stuff out anyway, so I'll just get to it. I always end up editing out the explanation of what I'm doing because then I do it, and it just doesn't make sense. So we'll just jump right into it. So I got a new to me Sawzall. It's another Mastercraft one. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. It's 15 bucks, cheap, real cheap. Looks like it's pretty old, but I tested it out. It works. It's very speed, which is nice. Looks like 3/4 inch stroke. Yeah, 5 amps. So it's not quite as much as my last one, but should do the job. It sounded good. It didn't sound like it was chunky inside. Interesting handle design too. I'm not used to those styles. It's more, I don't know, ergonomic, but I don't know. I like my old one. I just wish I didn't blow it up, but we'll see how she does. I don't know if this is the intended purpose of this Velcro strap, but that's how I'm using it. That'll prevent it from pulling out when I give the cord a yank. You can definitely feel it's not as powerful with 5 amp draw as my other one, but it works. It doesn't bog down like the other one does now, so yeah, it doesn't nice. Hope they won't shoot me down slow. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun I don't know if you guys can tell, but That Sawzall is a lot more fatiguing to use, a lot more. I am getting tired with that thing. My other one, I ran that thing for hours, and I think it's the design of the handle on this one. It makes it really awkward to hold. So yeah, I might be looking for another Sawzall, or I'll just not use this one as much. I'll try to use like angle grinders or like this stuff. I'm leaving this back hitch on. I'm gonna cut the bolts off when I get to the shop. I'm gonna use my plasma cutter because that's not fatiguing at all. Yeah, I want to try to save the shackle or the spring hangers at the front and reuse them, but they got to come apart because the shorter part of the spring's got to go up to the front. So I'll have to put that there, and then mount it up front. So if I can't salvage those, I'll just make new ones. Hopefully I can, but we'll see. Yeah, frick, I need a break after running that thing. That was so difficult to cut through. I think I might have dulled the blade trying to cut through the U-bolt. That's what it's called. Yeah, it looks like I might have dulled some of the teeth because I seen some sparks. So it's usually when you see sparks, it's your blade, and yeah, you're cutting something that you probably shouldn't be cutting with a Sawzall blade. So I'll go grab my safety glasses or some eye protection and finish cutting those off. I tried to just wedge that one off with my pry bar, and it just wasn't having any of it. There's still tension under it. Oof, excusez-moi. But well, one thing, the Velcro's working pretty good. So yeah, I'll take a quick 5-minute break and then go grab my protection and get those U-bolts out. Once I get the axle slid out from underneath it, I could probably flip it over and start cutting all the stuff off from the underside. I think that'd be a little easier. So yeah. Oh shit! This axle's got a big dent in it. I never noticed that before. Holy crap! I'll show you guys. Look at the dent! What did they freaking hit? That's a gooder. Hopefully it's not freaking bent. That would be awful. Looks okay. Cripes. Wow, okay, well I'll pull it out anyways. And just like that, it's out. Yeesh. Yeah, break time again. So, how are you guys doing? How are you guys holding up with this whole pandemic? I'm pretty much, I don't know, I just always kind of been a little bit of an introvert, so it's not really affecting me a whole lot. I don't know, I just don't like large groups of people. I'm uncomfortable in it, so it's like I've been training for this my whole life. It has been so hard to buy groceries though, that is the one thing. They've started limiting how much people can buy now, which is nice because in order to get anything you have to go to the grocery stores as soon as they open, otherwise everything's sold out by like 10 o'clock. So finally was able to get some more food. It's nice. But yeah, just wondering how you guys are doing. Cheers, guys. Yo.